This electric drill plate cutter tool is made of high-quality steel with high hardness and sharp cutting head for fast cutting of metal plates, resistant to wear and tear. This Bourne metal cutter attachment quickly transforms your drill into an electric shear that fits perfectly on the chuck of your drill. We do not recommend cutting stainless steel and special high-hardness alloy materials, otherwise the machine will be damaged. If stainless steel must be cut, the thickness of stainless steel shall not exceed 0.5 mm. No contact with saw blades or blades and no hand injuries. Equipped with sturdy metal gear heads designed for long service life and durability. RAK Hammer Multi-Tool Multifunctional 12-in-1. The RAK Multi-Tool Hammer is equipped with a variety of useful tools, such as pliers, a serrated knife, a saw, a wire cutter, a prying claw, a nail file, a bottle opener, and flat and Phillips head screwdrivers. The multi-tool knife is versatile like a Swiss Army knife and contains the most common items needed for a task. It is an ideal sidekick for backpackers, truckers, mechanics, outdoorsmen, or adventurous fathers with dimensions of 5.5 inches by 2.75 inches. These emergency survival tools are made from durable stainless steel that is tough enough for any project. The camping multi-tool also features a safety lock to prevent accidents or injuries. Its compact and super lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, taking up little space in a suitcase or backpack while keeping you prepared for anything. VANPO 38-inch drive digital torque wrench. This digital torque wrench has an advanced LCD display. It is highly suitable for novices to read and use, and the high backlight screen display can be used in dim environments. The bike torque wrench is made available to two modes. The peak mode can record the maximum torque value, and the track mode can display the torque value in real time. Whether in ordinary daily use or professional precision measurement, this electronic torque wrench can replace the traditional mechanical torque wrench, giving you more accurate and reliable values. When you're using this half-an-inch drive torque wrench are on the brink of the preset torque, the LED display and buzzer sound will notify you to prevent loosening due to under-tightening or damage due to over-tightening. The handle design of the wrench is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. This product is ideal for preparing for painting, ceiling texturing, exterior wall finishing, or floor sanding. It saves time by applying painter's tape to masking film or paper in one continuous application. It can be used with 3M hand masker masking films, plastic, and Scotch Blue painter's tapes. This method is 4 to 5 times faster than the traditional paper poly method. It protects your sprayer's pump for storage and can handle freeze-proof temperatures down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. Cordless electric scissors. They can cut tougher material with far less hand strain than manual scissors. The automatic sharpening system ensures you'll always have a clean, smooth cut, on cloth, carpet, leather and more. Both the trigger and the lockout switch need to be pressed to make the ZipSnip operate, so it'll only work when you've got a firm grasp on things. The 4-volt max lithium battery gives it the spin it needs to slice through materials, and holds that charge for a long time. Power level monitor on the ZipSnip lets you make sure that you'll have enough charge for the job at hand. The battery is internal, so you just connect the included charger when you need to top it up. The Quadsaw is a square drill bit attachment that allows the making of a perfect electrical back box hole in under 30 seconds. It comes with 6 interchangeable saw blades, and the blade change between a single and double electrical back box size takes a matter of seconds. The maximum depth of the plasterboard wall that the Quadsaw can be used with is 35 mm, and it can be used on sound block, habito, fireboard and more. To be able to use this electrical socket cutter you need a mains or battery-powered drill with a universal 13 mm chuck. Your drill's no-load speed should be between 2000 to 2500 RPM. Are you tired of spending hours trying to fill or drain fluids in your vehicle or equipment? Look no further than our new pump, which can be powered by an air ratchet or cordless drill. Its universal adapter with rubber mounting strap allows all drill sizes to be quickly mounted, while its one-hand operation lets you manage suction and discharge hoses with ease. Designed specifically for differential or transmission service, this pump can quickly fill or drain fluids such as brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, engine oil, coolant, and gear differential oils. Plus, with easy hose changes and no drip storage, you'll never have to worry about making a mess or wasting precious fluids. Trust us, this pump is a game changer for any professional or DIY mechanic. If you're tired of visible, rusty screws that detract from the beauty of your new deck, Camo Edge deck screws are the perfect solution. With their patented design, they create a fastener-free surface by installing straight through the edge of the board, and there's no need to pre-drill. Designed to be used with treated lumber, cedar, hardwood, composite, and PVC, Camo Edge deck screws feature an auger tip that reduces splitting and cracking. This means you can use them exclusively with Camo Edge deck screws that make easy installation squeezy. Fitting any 83mm to 127mm deck board and creating automatic and 5mm spacing, Camo Edge deck screws are available to help make installation a breeze, so why not give them a try today? With their ease of use and versatility, you'll love how quickly they help you finish your outdoor project. Saker Silicone Caulking Tools combines 3 functions in one: internal angle scraper, flat angle scraper and silicone smoother. It is perfect for removing and resealing seals, repairing gaps and cleaning residual glue with ease. The Saker 3-in-1 caulking tool features a sharp, hard stainless steel blade for long-lasting strength while removing. It also includes a nice silicone trowel for removing bumps and dents on surfaces and white silicone pads for smooth application of new silicone. Saker Silicone Caulk Remover is an excellent product for removing and spreading caulk, improving the agglutinating quality and enhancing the aesthetic sense of the surface. Powerful 1800-watt motor generates up to 3,500 psi plus 2.6 GPM for max cleaning power. Electric pressure washers electric-powered can clean cars, bicycles, fences, sidewalks, walls, gardens, yards, outdoor furniture. Upgrade digital pressure control electric power washer features an adjustable pressure function. It adopts digital touch screen for 15-level pressure adjustment. 5 Quick Connect Spray Tips. Power washers comes with 5 interchangeable nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degree and soap. Use on windows and screens. Soap used to spray soaps and detergents. Freely select the high-pressure nozzle best suited to your task. The unique 3-section retractable pull rod and will make the mobile cleaning machine as convenient as the mobile trolley box, light and easy to move.